Thomas, say hi to Daddy. Oh, don't cry. Say, Dad, I'm trying to go to sleep. And I miss you. I miss you, Daddy. I'm tired. I'm the man of the house this weekend. Don't worry, I took over. I helped Mom. Thomas. Thomas, say hi to Daddy. You're so tired. Say hi to Daddy. Yeah. Buddy. Say hi, Daddy. I miss you. Hope you're doing a good job. Make me proud. I love you. You're the best daddy in the world. Yes, you are. We miss you. Tell him. Say, Daddy, we miss you. Come on, give Daddy a smile. Look over here. Buddy. Buddy. Thomas. Okay. Who's a good boy? Say hi to Daddy. Say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Oh, you going to cry? You miss Daddy? Is that why you're crying? You miss your daddy? You miss your daddy? Huh? Say, give Daddy a smile, though. Come on, Thomas. Come on, big boy. You're a good boy. Give Daddy a smile. Say, Daddy, I had a good day, but I missed you. I miss you, Dad. Oh, I'm so tired. Come on. I can't say goodbye without a smile. I can't say goodbye without a smile. No, I can't. So say goodbye, Dad. Can't wait to see you tomorrow, Daddy. Say, can't wait to see you tomorrow, Daddy. Alright, he's tired. But he loves you. And we miss you. We do, Dad. Sorry he wasn't smiling. He's too tired. Alright, I love you. See you tomorrow. Say bye, Thomas. Say goodbye. Why's your face all wet? Aww. Alright, Dad. Love you. Bye.